Welcome to the And Academy's YouTube channel. Today we are going to create a product packaging mockup with the Vanishing Point tool. This is a simple and quick 5-step hack that will enable you to project your design on any 3D packaging box. Let us begin by selecting an image of a box we wish to see our design on. I have this image of a white 3D box with a wooden table background. Perfect for the pattern design I have to wrap it with. There are many websites where you can find free downloadable mockup images for your design. So let's get started. Step 1. Make a new layer and name it as pattern. Step 2. Make a copy of the design you wish to place on this packaging. And wait, we are not pasting it yet. Step 3. Now click on the filter menu, select the vanishing point, make a grid on the surface by clicking on all the 4 corners. Now extend this grid on the other parts of the box. Just like this. We are ready for step 4. Paste the design that we'd copied from the other window, resize your design and drag it on the box to watch it snap around the box's silhouette. Click OK when done. Step 5. Change the blend mode of the pattern layer to multiply. This will have the pattern nicely settled on the box, complementing its highlights and shadows. Now let me give you a bonus point here. Create a copy of the background layer and place it on top of all the layers. Now change its blend mode to multiply as well. This will add another layer of effects on the entire composition. The technique that you've seen just now is appropriate for an image having multiple sides to wrap and apply the design on. Keep watching this space for more on the topic and many more quick and super easy techniques of Adobe Photoshop. Subscribe to An Academy's YouTube channel for more design related content.